Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Tamarai Chelvi from Tail Tribe. We'll go to the story today. You know what is the story for today? This story is written in Tamil by Periyasamy Thuran long time back. Like we say in our story, long ago. So, long ago, there was a grandma living near a forest. She did not have anybody to support, but she was not sad. She was very strong. So she said, as long as I live, I will work on my own and earn money. So every day she used to go to the nearby forest. She'll pick up some firewood and she'll bundle it and she'll take it to the market, which is a little far, because she lived near the forest. So she has to walk with the bundle on her head to the market, which is about some 4-5 kilometers away. So she will sell it in the market and buy some groceries like rice and dal and vegetables and oil, and she'll bring home, she'll cook and eat. But after a few months, though she was very strong, she can go and collect the firewood. Carrying the firewood on her head on her own was little difficult. So out of her money savings, she decided to buy what? She decided she needed somebody to carry the load and give her company. So she decided to buy a donkey. So she went to the market and the money whatever she had, she could get only a very young donkey. So she said, okay, the young donkey is so friendly and chirpy like children, isn't it? So I will bring this donkey, I will make it my friend, I will protect the donkey also. Donkey will work for me, I will safeguard the donkey. So when she brought the donkey, she taught all the tricks, whatever she knows. Grandma is very smart. So the donkey was also quite intelligent. Whatever grandma says, the donkey will listen. So the donkey and grandma became good friends. So the grandma told donkey, you be careful, okay? We go to the forest and come back. When I am there, I'll take care of you. But after coming home, the donkey loves eating grass, So after coming home, leaving the bundle, selling the bundle in the market, they come back home, right? Then donkey has to go and eat grass in the forest. So the grandma always tells the donkey not to go deep inside the forest. Grandma said, donkey, who is living in this forest? Too many tigers are there. Just be careful, okay? The donkey said, okay, grandma, I will be careful. Now, the grandma has to keep a name for the donkey, So she named the donkey. Can you guess? She named the donkey Kadakati Modakati. What is the name of the donkey? Kadakati Modakati. You know why this donkey got this name? The donkey was very young, right? When grandma bought it. So the front 2 legs were very strong. The back 2 legs were a little weak. So when the donkey walks, the back legs used to rub against each other. So when the donkey runs, even more noisier, the two legs used to rub against each other. It used to be like a background music. You know what? Karakati morakati, karakati morakati, karakati morakati, karakati morakati, karakati morakati, karakati morakati, like that. So grandma decided to call the donkey, what is the name? Kadakati Modakati. Okay. And also grandma did a trick to protect the donkey. She knows the donkey will not go so much deep into the forest and get caught with the tiger. But what if the tiger comes and attacks, isn't it? So grandma did a trick. She lived near forest, so there is lot of mud available. She took the red soil. She took some nice red soil and put it in the bucket and nicely she mixed it. She made it like a red paint. She made it like a red paint. And that red paint, she has applied it all except the legs. Okay? Except the legs, she applied it all over the body. So the face of the donkey is in what color? Red color. The body of the donkey is in what color? Red color. Okay. And she wanted to give some more colorful color to the donkey. So what did she do? She took some green leaves. She collected lot of green leaves and she mixed it and mixed it and mixed it nicely. So the body is full of red color, and face also, up till here I said the face also she put it, isn't it? So face also she put around red color. The green leaves she mixed it, and the nose is there, no, the white color nose, she just made it like a green color. She put, because she collected green leaves, no, she made green paste by crushing and crushing and crushing. She applied it here and all, chin and all she applied, and to the four legs and one tail. So all the four legs and one tail looked green color, and the body looked red color. Up till here, the all around the face is red, and inside circle is green color. So when you go and look at the donkey, you can't make out it is a donkey. So whenever it rains or whenever the color fades away, the grandma always makes a new paste like a paint, and she will apply. So that is her way of taking care of the donkey when she is not going in the evening with it, isn't it? So the donkey, you know, the donkey loves, they go to the market, right, every day. The donkey used to love drinking the rice washed water. Grandma puts the rice and dal and she'll wash it nicely, no, squeeze it and wash. That water is very energetic. So the donkey, Kadakati Modakati, loves eating that, drinking that water. It will wait. The grandma gives that water like that. It drinks, and then like that happily it will jump and go to the nearby forest to eat some fresh grass. So grandma goes to cook something and eat. All right. Now, when one day the donkey, what color is the donkey now? Green and red color. So the donkey happily was eating. You know what happened? That day it did not realize it was walking and eating fresh grass. Like this, it didn't look up only, and it did not realize it has gone deep inside the forest. And the grandma has already warned it, right? Who came there? Look here, who came there? The tiger came. You know, the tiger is a very, very strong animal, very smart hunter, but it is always very careful, you know, and also doubtful. Now the donkey doesn't look like a donkey, normal donkey, right? So the tiger is watching. I'm hungry. I need some food, I know, but this animal, I have never seen such an animal in my life, because the legs, the tail, and this mouth portion is green color. The rest of the body and faces the red color. You know, the ears also, grandma put green color, isn't it? You remember that, right? So now it is very careful. What if this new animal is more stronger? If it kills me, let me be little careful and find out, it said. The donkey did not realize there is a tiger waiting. After some time, the tiger said, the donkey immediately looked up. Oh my God, what is that blunder I did? Inside it started shivering. But grandma told, no, be careful, don't go, be brave. I put color for you. The donkey is like, if the tiger has understood that I'm a donkey, it would have jumped on me and killed me and eaten me. So there is a chance to escape. let me be. Yeah, what? It's asked. Said, who are you? The donkey asked, who are you? Changed the tone also. Said, what's your name? The donkey said, bravely, what is the name of the donkey? The donkey's name is Kadakati Modakati. Kadakati Modakati. Oh, I have never heard the name. The donkey said, I don't care, but that's my name. You know my brother's name? Said, you have brothers and sisters? Yeah, I have brothers and sisters. One brother and one sister. You know what is my brother's name? My brother's name is Sadakati Modakati. Said, what? Kadakati Modakati is your name. Sadakati Modakati, brother's name. What is your sister's name? My sister's name is Modakati Modakati. What? Modakati Modakati. Can you tell it again? Yeah, my name is Kadakati Modakati. My brother's name is Sadakati Modakati. My sister's name is Modakati Modakati. Said, what a weird name, yeah. Okay, but why did you got that name? I've never heard such names. The donkey said, you know something? We love killing and eating tigers. The tiger got scared. You know, my brother, Sadakati Modakati, no? The moment he sees the tiger, he will jump on the tiger's neck and he will break the tiger's neck like sadak, 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 sadak. And he will eat it. That is why he is known as Sadakati Modakati. Then why are you Kadakati Modakati? I don't like breaking the neck. You know, I just jump on the tiger's backbone, the back, and catch it by the neck and broke its backbones like that I break, and I take the meat to my family and we share it. That's why I am Kadakati Modakati. I said, really? The tiger is very, very careful now. It's scared also. And why your sister is Madakati Modakati? My sister also jumps on the tiger and breaks the backbone with the noise. What is the noise? Madak, 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 madak. Madak, 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 like that she'll break. She enjoys breaking one bone after the other bone after the other bone after the other bone. Madak, 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 madak. So that is why she is known as Madakati Modakati. The tiger is still thinking something is not fitting, right? Okay. Your brother is Sadakati Modakati. Your name is Kadakati Modakati. Your sister's name is Madakati Modakati. But why everybody, the first name only is different. The second name, everybody is called Modakati, Modakati, Modakati. Why that Modakati? The donkey said, oh, that story you want to know. You know that Modakati is a title. Our name is actually Sadakati, Kadakati, Modakati. But that Modakati is a title given by none other than the Lion King. Said, what? The Lion King honored you with a name? But why? Donkey said, my brother, Sadakati Modakati, killed, you know how many tigers? 100 tigers. So, sadak, 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 he broke all the 100 tigers' bones and he used to bring the meat to the family. My sister, she broke. Her name is Madakati Modakati, no? She broke and killed 200 tigers. Madak, 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 madak. Like that, she broke the bone and killed the tigers. And you know, I am the youngest. I have to break their records, no? Till now, I have broken 299 tigers' bones and killed them. Like that, I broke. I am waiting to break the record. I want one more number. So the number will become 300. I got you, he said. After hearing that, you think the tiger will stand there? No way. The tiger was like, oh my God, I don't want to be the 300th tiger whose bones will be broken, kadak, 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 and be killed. My God. It ran and ran and ran and ran and ran away. The donkey inside, though it is shivering, it is scared. Outside, it used the smartness, isn't it? Grandma always taught the donkey to be brave, be careful. So the donkey is like, oh my God, today I escaped. I am going running. I had too much food today. Never again I'll come into this deep into the forest like that. It started running, walking fast. It can't run because it ate so much, right? So it started walking fast and fast and fast and fast. What was the background noise from the legs happening? Kadakati markati, 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 like that. So that is how that day donkey escaped. And grandma was waiting, looking at the donkey. Kadakati marakati, have you arrived? I'm very happy. Come, let's go to sleep. So the grandma locked the door and they went, both of them went to sleep happily. The donkey was so thankful that it escaped from the tiger that day. So this is the story of Kadakati Madakati, written by Periyasamy Thuran in Tamil. I told you in English. So I'm signing off. I am Tamirai Chelvi from Tale Tribe. Thank you.